In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a one-to-one email directly from the CRM in Hubspot. This is a powerful feature to utilize if you want to streamline your communication and ensure your emails are sent at the most opportune time. Let's dive right into the process so you can start maximizing this tool. First, navigate to HubSpot's homepage. If you're already familiar with logging in, you know this is where everything begins. Open any browser and head over to the HubSpot site. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Login button, typically located at the top right of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you've arrived at HubSpot Home, which acts as the main hub for all your activities within the software. It's an intuitive space where you can easily locate all the tools and features you need. Next, head over to the navigation bar and click on Library. You can think of this as your virtual file cabinet, housing all your resources and templates. By navigating to the library, you're gaining access to everything you need to build out and schedule communications, from single emails to more extensive campaigns. From here, you're going to want to select the Meeting Scheduler. This section is designed to manage how you schedule and organize meetings, emails, and other interactions with your clients or colleagues. Clicking on this takes us to a more focused view where we can see existing schedules or set new ones. Now look for an option labeled Create Scheduling Page. This tool is particularly helpful if this is your first time setting this up, or if you want to create a new schedule altogether. Go ahead and click that. You'll find that the scheduling page is user-friendly and guides you through the steps of setting up your timing preferences and communications. To schedule a one-to-one email, select the one-on-one option. This pathway is designed for exactly what we're aiming to do today: individual and personalized communication. Clicking on one-on-one will open up the fields necessary to enter specifics about the email, such as timing, recipient, and any other relevant details you need to include. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your email to go out precisely when it needs to, all from within the HubSpot CRM. This feature saves time and ensures that no communication opportunity is missed, allowing you to focus more on building those crucial relationships. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident scheduling emails right from your CRM. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.